Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the torch uses butane and relieving pressure. That prevents flare-ups. Next, remove the tip assembly and visually inspect the jet, valve, and O-ring. You want clean, intact seals. Use a small pick to clear debris from the jet while holding the torch inverted so loose particles fall away. Once done, replace any cracked O-ring and set parts on a clean surface. This minimizes contamination and sets you up for controlled reassembly. Now focus on the valve and jet. This is the complex middle work. Use short bursts of compressed air at around 30-40 psi to clear the jet and valve passages. That removes tiny carbon or debris that blocks flow. If the valve feels sticky, remove the stem and soak metal pieces in isopropyl alcohol, then dry completely to avoid moisture-induced blockages. Replace weak springs or a deformed valve stem. Make sure moving parts cycle smoothly before proceeding to reassembly. Reassemble the torch carefully, seating O-rings with a light coat of silicone lubricant so they seal under pressure. Refill with high-purity butane and let the torch rest for 5 to 10 minutes so vapor stabilizes. Ignite and observe flame height. Adjust the torque or flow screw incrementally to reach the desired blue cone. If flame sputters or won't light, try another purge cycle and confirm the jet is unobstructed. Often a stubborn clog or a loose seal causes intermittent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.